Increasing product sales requires strategic planning, understanding your target market, and effective execution. Here are 10 tips to boost your product sales. First, understand your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to identify their preferences, needs, and buying behavior. Second, optimize your product listings. Ensure your product descriptions are clear, engaging, and highlight the benefits. Use high-quality images and videos. Third, use social proof. Customer reviews, testimonials, and case studies can build trust among potential buyers. Fourth, run promotions and discounts. Limited-time offers, bundles, and loyalty programs can incentivize purchases and attract new customers. Fifth, leverage social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to reach a broader audience through targeted ads, influencer partnerships, and engaging content. Sixth, focus on customer service. Prompt and helpful customer support can differentiate your brand and lead to repeat purchases and positive word of mouth. Seventh, invest in email marketing.